So, hi all, this is Mrs. Pavitranshi, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, SNS College of Technology. So, I'm here with the next video with the continuation of the business data analysis, so which has been done with the research process. So now in the last video we have done a scenario, the decision making scenario where we are going to assume that you are a manager of a large full service restaurant. So in this case we had given some sort of questions like what will you do in that scenario, or where will you begin in trying to solve this problem. So in this type there's another decision making scenario, like I'll tell you. Color Splash, that is a paint manufacturer like Berger Paints or something like that, is having trouble in maintaining profits. So they are facing a trouble in maintaining profits. The owner believes inventory management is a weak area of company's operations. So in this scenario, the thing is of the owner is like, the owner is believing that the inventory management is a weaker one or weaker area with the company's operations. There are various types of operations inside the company, like there are finance, marketing, HR, everything. So in that case, this inventory management area, they are actually a weaker section in this company's operations, that like that I believe from the owner side. So the many paint colors, the type of paints, and the container sizes make it easy for the firm to accumulate large inventories and still be unable to fulfill the customer's order. So the owner asks you some recommendations. So what will you do? So this is actually a scenario. So in the previous decision making scenario, we were like, we got the customer feedback and we try to give some solutions, and then we executed it. But in this case, as a owner, so I'm facing some inventory management. Yes. So what do you mean by inventory management? So where we store or where we keep the products which has been for the next level of order, that is what the inventory management. In this scenario, the company is facing it. So once for this, we can give some recommendations like, yes, so large inventories are unable to fill customers' orders is only because of the inventory management. We are not able to manage the inventory or the warehouse properly. So only then we can, in this case, we have to make some warehouse or some space area where the orders has to be refilled with many containers or many orders. Yes, and many containers, the various types of paints or the various colors the customers are mentioning it. So this can be a belief from the customer's point that if we order something, we will deliver, or the Color Splash, the company will deliver it in on time. So only when there is a stock with us, we can deliver it as on time. Else will not be able to do it. So in this case, we can tell like, a warehouse is required. Yes, a warehouse with a proper spacing, with large containers can be refilled, or the colors can be done, and the types of paints can be done, the container sizes, and easily the firm can accumulate. And moreover, it should be near the companies where it can be easily accessible. Only then we can try to resolve it, or we can try to retain the orders properly and give it and deliver the goods or deliver the orders on time to the customers. So in this case, this will not create any problem with the customer side as well as the company side. So now the owner can easily tell like, I can do, or I can, the managers and the other departments can very well tell like, a warehouse can be maintained properly with proper resources and proper stocks and proper like container sizes, everything, which can accumulate a larger inventories, like a space, the space has to accumulate with the larger inventories, and which can be able to fill the customers orders properly on time, and which can be delivered on time to the customers. So in this case, what is the basic thing we have done? A basic analysis, like a basic thing or basic perspective. When we put on legs on the other shoes, uh, what is happening or what can be done. So it is a general scenario or a general thing. In this case, if we do a major research, we can do it with the survey method. Yes, and we can do it with a like experimental method, and various types can be done. So this is the scenario. Yes, so we'll next see about the interaction in the next video. Thank you.